Hey guys, what's going on? It's JC here. Thanks for tuning in my video. I don't really got much videos, but anyways, let's get this show started. This is a 09 LNF, basically FBO E47, tuned by Scott, Taylor tuned. Got a short ram intake, Opel injectors, LT1 pump, fuel lobe cam, charge pipes, GM stage 1 sensors, intercooler, catless downpipe, exhaust, a bunch of goodies, short throw shifter, etc, etc. But yeah, stay tuned. So y'all want to follow me? Finally got my surprise. It took about 2 months to get here, but there you go. It's not that heavy, but it will be heavy. So basically, this is a Z57 Turbo. As you can see, I've been gathering my parts all year long. I have my my forged connecting rods, ZZP. I have my forged pistons. Hoping to make over 500 horsepower. But yeah, let's start unboxing this package here. And excuse all the mess. Neighbors are, I don't know what they're doing. Okay, so it's pretty much a packing slip, as you can see here. Z57. For the coolant hose. Looks like a oil drain feed. Bunch of bolts. I guess for lots and lots of tracks. By the way, thank you ZZP for sending me my Z57 Turbo. Oh yeah, it's kinda heavy. Throw that on the side. So yes, this turbo has been out of stock practically all of 2020. Finally excited to receive it. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks nice here and there. Let's check this side out. Sorry guys, I don't really record a lot, but let's see. Yeah, but yes, this is my build, Z57 Turbo. Everything's gonna be forged, practically built bottom end. I'm still wondering if I should get ZZP stage 2 cams and ported head and valves, etc. But yeah. All right, so now we're gonna do a little walk around in the car. Turn it on a bit. excuse the dirtiness. Yeah, I haven't been home in a few months, but don't worry, she'll be cleaned before y'all watch this video. So y'all pretty much have seen what I'm trying to build here with my sedan. Hopefully I'm making some good power, and we'll see how it goes. I'm planning on having everything installed, plus the stage 2 cams, springs, and possibly port ahead, but we'll see how it goes. I wish I had time to install everything, but unfortunately, because of work, well, not unfortunately, but you know, we gotta work, gotta make money and stuff. So, but thanks for watching. Give me a like, and y'all comment whatever y'all want to comment. Y'all got questions, whatever, feel free to ask, and I'll try to reply ASAP. But thanks again.